What is the difference between SEO and PPC? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is a method used to increase your ranking in search engines without paying the search engines. PPC, on the other hand, is pay-per-click advertising, where you're literally paying a search engine for clicks resulting from the placement of your website in the Ads section in search results. We often hear the question, which is better, SEO or PPC? The answer to that question really depends on the client's product, budget, and goals. I'm going to help by illuminating some of the main differences between these SEM strategies. Even if you're working with an SEO agency to develop a custom campaign, it's important to understand the pros and cons of each approach. Both SEO and PPC are search engine marketing tactics that are meant to bring traffic to your website. But if this is all brand new territory to you, you might be confused about which will yield better results for your business. If you can answer the following questions, the answer may be much clearer. Many businesses don't actually choose between these two options. Instead, they will use both methods together to make their digital marketing strategy even stronger. That's often the best way to go, as a diversified strategy will usually yield better results. That way, you won't be putting all your digital eggs in one basket. If you improve your SEO and spend a bit of money on Google Ads, you'll have more control over the results of your campaign. A combined approach is often the best of both worlds. Your PPC ads can instantly generate leads while you wait for your SEO campaign to bear fruit. Of course, most businesses simply aren't equipped to execute such a complex strategy, that's where your SEO agency comes in. To find out more about how we can help you craft a search engine marketing strategy that addresses all of your needs, please get in touch with us today. When you can't decide between SEO and PPC, let our team of experts craft a custom digital marketing plan that works for your budget. Want to hire SEO or PPC consultant? Visit TariqWebs.com, call WhatsApp at +92 312 533 4949.